What if the greatest story of the universe isn't just out there in the stars, but written inside you? Right now, every atom in your body, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen in your lungs was forged in the hearts of ancient stars. You are stardust brought to life. But how do stars live such extraordinary lives that they create entire galaxies and worlds? And what happens when they die in explosions so powerful they outshine billions of suns? By the end of this journey, you'll understand how stars shape the universe and your very existence. Stay with us, because once you hear this story, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Stars are born in cosmic nurseries, vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These regions may look tranquil, but inside, they're anything but. Gravity pulls particles together, forcing them to collide and compress into dense, spinning cores. As the cores grow denser, the temperature rises to unimaginable levels, over 10 million degrees. Then a cosmic ignition occurs. Nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, unleashing immense energy. A star is born. Think of a star's birth as the universe striking a match. In its first moments, a newborn star releases more energy than all the nuclear weapons on Earth combined. Yet this isn't destruction. It's creation on a scale so vast, it shapes galaxies. The light from these stars begins a journey that can last billions of years, traveling across the universe to reach us. Every star you see in the night sky is a time capsule, telling a story older than our planet. But what happens when these stars begin to shine? Their light doesn't just illuminate the universe, it transforms it. Once a star ignites, it enters the longest and most stable phase of its life, the main sequence. During this time, it burns hydrogen in its core, radiating light and heat across the cosmos. Our sun, for instance, has been in this phase for over 4 billion years, quietly sustaining life on Earth. Every ray of sunlight that warms your face began its journey in the sun's core, connecting you to a star that powers the very fabric of life. But not all stars are like the sun. Massive blue stars burn with an intensity so fierce they live for only a few million years. Tiny red dwarfs, on the other hand, burn so slowly they can live for trillions of years, longer than the universe has existed. Have you ever wondered why stars come in different colors? These colors are more than just beautiful. They're cosmic signatures. Blue stars blaze with extreme heat, while cooler red stars glow faintly, like embers in the night. Yet even stars, no matter how mighty, have limits. When their fuel runs out, their once stable lives take a dramatic turn, and the universe itself is reshaped by their fate. When a star exhausts its hydrogen fuel, gravity begins to take over. For stars like the Sun, this marks the beginning of a spectacular transformation. The star swells into a red giant, its outer layers expanding outward. Imagine the Sun growing so large that it engulfs Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth, a fiery colossus dominating the sky. Eventually, the outer layers drift away, creating a glowing shell of gas known as a planetary nebula. What remains is the star's core, now a white dwarf, a dense remnant about the size of Earth, but with a mass so immense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as a mountain. For massive stars, the ending is far more explosive. Their cores collapse violently, triggering a supernova. These explosions are so powerful that for a brief moment, they can outshine an entire galaxy. Supernovae are not just beautiful, they're essential. They scatter heavy elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron across the cosmos, planting the seeds for new stars, planets, and life. But for some stars, death doesn't mean the end. It leads to a mysterious transformation into the most powerful objects in the universe. What remains after a supernova depends on the star's size. Smaller remnants become neutron stars, city-sized objects so dense that just a single sugar cube of their material would outweigh Mount Everest. For the largest stars, their cores collapse completely, forming black holes. These are like cosmic vacuums, regions of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Think of a black hole as the ultimate invisible pit, warping time and space itself. And yet, even in death, stars give life. The elements scattered by supernovae form the building blocks of everything we know. Without them, there would be no planets, no oceans, no life, and no you. The death of a star is not just an ending, it's a rebirth. The scattered elements coalesce into new stars and planets, ensuring the cycle of creation continues. When you look up at the night sky, you're not just seeing stars. You're witnessing the history of the universe, written in light. Some of the stars you see may no longer exist. Their light, traveling for millions or even billions of years, is a ghostly echo of the past. Yet their influence lives on, shaping galaxies and connecting us to the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand. The stars aren't just out there, they're within you. Every atom in your body carries the legacy of ancient stars. You are living proof of the universe's power to create and renew itself. The story of stars is the story of the universe, a tale of creation, destruction, and renewal that spans billions of years. It's a reminder that we are part of something vast, ancient, and deeply interconnected. If this journey through the life cycle of stars has inspired you, imagine what else the universe has to offer. Share this video with someone who loves space, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. And the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to wonder. You're not just seeing the universe, you are the universe, reflecting on its own origins.